Kids' favorite chicken drumsticks. Bakery-style chicken drumsticks recipe. It's so delicious and easy to make. Chicken leg 5 pieces and 2 medium potato. Clean and washed. Potato peel and cut. Chicken, leg and potato put in a pot. Water, 1.5 cup. Black pepper, a half teaspoon. Garlic paste, 1 teaspoon. Ginger paste, 1 teaspoon. Soy sauce, 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Mix. Cover and cook until water dry. Almost done. Transfer to the plate. Let it cool. Separate the meat. Mashed with hand or use grinder. Done. Onion, 4 tablespoon. Chopped chili, 1 tablespoon. Garam masala, a half teaspoon. Coriander leaf, 2 tablespoon. Lemon juice, 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Done. Spread the oil on hand. Follow the steps. Done. Spread the flour over the chicken drumsticks. Two eggs beat until combine. Deep with egg wash. Coat with breadcrumbs. Done. Fry. Fry until golden brown. Done. Ready to serve. Let's taste test. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.